Network-attached storage, NAS, systems can experience various hardware-related problems that may affect performance, data integrity, or even cause complete system failure. Below are common types of hardware problems in NAS. 1. Failed or failing hard drives. The most frequent hardware issue. Causes data loss, RAID rebuilds, or degraded performance. May produce clicking or grinding noises. 2. Power supply failure. Can cause unexpected shutdowns or total device inaccessibility. May damage internal components if not protected by a UPS, uninterruptible power supply. 3. Faulty RAID controller. Corrupts RAID configurations. Causes data access errors or loss. May lead to complete storage volume failure. 4. Broken cooling fan. Leads to overheating of internal components. Can shorten the lifespan of the CPU, HDD/SSD, or motherboard. May cause thermal shutdowns. 5. Overheating issues. Caused by fan failure, dust buildup, or poor ventilation. Affects drive performance and risks permanent hardware damage. 6. SSD cache failure. Reduces read/write acceleration performance. May cause system lags, data inconsistency, or cache corruption. 7. Network interface card, NIC malfunction. Interrupts network connectivity or causes slow transfer speeds. May cause intermittent data access issues. 8. Faulty RAM/memory modules. Causes boot issues, crashes, or corrupts active data. May lead to system instability during heavy loads. 9. Damaged or malfunctioning motherboard. Complete system failure. Might prevent booting, RAID recognition, or disk access. 10. Cable and port failures. Loose or damaged SATA, power, or Ethernet cables can disrupt data transfer. Faulty ports may cause intermittent hardware disconnections.